Good morning, everybody. It's Sunday morning, and I'm here for my nature walk. It's pretty warm out. Yeah, see, it's really warm. It's starting to melt. You see over there? The river's starting to open up. Yeah. Yeah, see, I'm not wearing a toque today. Yeah, no sweater underneath my jacket. No. Yeah, I got a hat on. Yeah. Yeah, it's nice. It's just me walking on the path. See the path? This is the way it came from. That side of the path. And I'm going this way, yeah. See the river over there? It's opening up already. That's how warm it's been the last couple of days. So I'm gonna go show you the river. Yeah. See how much it opened up? Yeah. Just about spring. Yeah. It's about spring here. Yeah. And there's the view. There's the flag over there, and then the train bridge and everything like that. Yeah. Yeah, I'm gonna show you the river's opening. Or just about spring, and spring's around the corner. Pretty icy, but like it got so warm and then it froze again. Yeah. See, there's the river. See how much it opened over there? So I'm gonna go a little closer and show you that it opened up already. I just don't want to slip and fall. Yeah. Oh. Okay. Now I'm going to the river, or the bank, close to the bank, not the river bank. No. Wind picked up. Oops. Yeah, the wind's picking up. Yeah. You can hear the wind blowing. Yeah. Okay. Okay, I'll go a little bit. Okay. I'm going to switch it forward and show you the river. Oops. There. You see how much it opened already? That was frozen last weekend. All this was frozen. Now it's opened up again. Hey. It opened all the way. Even underneath the bridges there. Yeah. See, it's all open. You can hear birds, yeah. Yeah. It's all open. Yeah. It's all opened up. All the way down. Keep on going a little bit more. Yeah, all the way down there. Yeah. Keeps going. Yeah. That's how much it opened. Yeah, but it's real windy, holy. Just the wind is brutal. Yeah. Windy. And I'll switch it back. And there's me. Yeah, see the river? It's all open over there. Yeah, all the way underneath the bridges, yeah. Don't go back on the path. Yeah. walk up back on the path. It's peaceful today. Nobody on the path, nobody walking. Such a warm, beautiful March day. There, I made it to the path. Yeah. There, I made it back on the path. Yeah. I'll continue walking. Yeah, that was nice. Seeing the river opened up over there. Yeah, a long stretch. Right in the middle. Oh. Yeah, there's lots of stuff starting to show. Garbage, like packages and cups and bottles and dog stuff. Yeah, there's lots of dog stuff. See down there? There's some dog stuff there. People come on this path and they bring their dogs and they don't pick it up. What their dogs leave behind. I don't know why. You're supposed to. Just because people still walk on this path. Yeah, I walk here every day just about. And I don't want to step on dog stuff. Wait, I'll show you. See? Right there, see? They don't pick it up, they just leave it in the snow. Isn't that bad? Yeah, I walk on this path. At least after your dog uses the bathroom, pick it up. I know it's a walking path, but it's gross. And it's a bike path too. So little kids come on this path. What if they fall down and fall in it? Huh? That's pretty bad. Yeah. When you take your dog for a walk, always carry a little bag. Pick it up. Yeah. I know it's nature, you're outside, but still. Uh-oh. I see something else here too. Oh, I'll switch it. You see that? Somebody's belt. Just on the path. Somebody lost their belt. Yeah, just a brown belt. I don't know whose belt it is. But if you lost a belt on the path, yeah, a belt. Did you see that belt? It's just laying on the path. Yeah. Somebody lost their belt. Now their pants might be falling down. Oh, yeah. There. Seen a couple of things on the nature walk already. Yeah. Better nature walks now. As soon as it opens up. Holy smokes, there's lots here. See, look at that. Pick it up. Carry a bag with you. Just be courteous to people that walk on this path or drive or run. Holy. Take your dog here to do his business right on the path. Holy smokes. Yeah. That's just me rambling. But it's courteous to pick your dog's stuff up after. Look at this. Somebody just had 2 tea. McDonald's. 2 tea bags. He just left it in the snow there. There's another thing I seen. Yeah. Usually you don't see things in the winter. There's nothing to see. Everything's covered up with snow. Now it's starting to be spring. Everything's melting. So you'll start to see stuff. Yeah. Mostly mostly garbage and stuff left from the winter. That's about it. Yeah, nothing exciting. Cans and bottles, paper, chip bags. Oh, look at this tree. I think I showed this tree before. See these things on this tree? I don't know what kind of tree this is. But it's got these growths coming out of it. Yeah. Yeah. There's lots of them on this tree. Yeah, lots of stuff on that tree. See? Stuff on the tree. I don't know what it is. Yeah, but I've seen it before on trees like that. Yeah. Oh, it's slippery here. Oh, I made it. I made it across. I made it across the little bridge. Yeah. Yeah, the tiny bridge. Yeah, this is just on the walking path where I walk. Oh. Yeah. Here. I'll show you. See how icy it is? Like icy and frozen over and all that. You have to be careful you don't fall. See? It's all frozen. There's water there. Yeah, you have to be... Yeah, you don't want to fall. Hurt yourself. Especially if you live where it freezes and there's ice and it's getting fall. There's a Skadoo. The Skadoo just went by on the river bank. Just going by. Oh, it's a glorious day. Look at it. Oh, look at that sun. Yeah, I'm just happy. Out and about. Being one with nature. Yeah. Nature's our friend. Yeah, I see quite a bit now. Look at all these things that fell from the trees. Look. See them all on the falling off the trees. Yeah, these little tiny things are coming off this tree. There's lots. Oh. Yeah, see the nice trees. Yeah, nice trees. There's the path, the rest of the path, and then there's the bridge. There's our Canadian flag in the town I live in, flapping in the wind. There's the rest of the park. And it's back to me. So I'll keep walking. Keep walking, keep going. There I go. Yeah. There. You can see it's open over there too. Still. All over the place. nice. A nice walk. Yeah. See how nice it is? Yeah. There's the bridge and the flag. See the flag? Yeah, this is the... I should do another walking video. Nature walk, walking somewhere else, but it's easy. Because this path is near where I live. And, yeah, it's just easy. You just walk down the street and you're at the path. Yeah. And here's under the bridge. Here we go under the bridge. Oh yeah, it melted lots here underneath the bridge too. Some ice and water. Yeah. Oh. Yeah. Uh-oh. Someone's been spray painting. Yeah, I'll switch it. See right there. See, there's spray painting underneath the bridge. Here's another one. I think that's spray paint. There's a can. Then underneath. See all that big ice? You don't want to slip there. You'll get all wet. Yeah, this is underneath the train bridge. See the train bridge? All the way down there to the pillar. I have to walk up on top of the snow. I don't want to fall. There's big ice there. Lots of ice. See all that ice? All the water. I just wanted to show you that. Oh, here's slippery. Uh-oh. That's a lot. See that? See how much ice I have to go slow. I don't want to fall. Then here. See? See all the water dripping from on top of the bridge here from these? I guess from the water up above on the road. Yeah. Then there's all the open water already. Yeah, see all the open water? And here's another one. There's that other one. It's all dripping. All melting from up above on the bridge. And it's dripping right there. Oh, that looks nice, eh? Yeah. Looks beautiful. Yeah, all dripping. And there's me. Yeah. I switched it back. Yeah. I just wanted to show you that. Maybe I'll show you again. Watch. See? I think that looks nice. And it's dripping from up here. See this pipe? It's hollow and then dripping from up above all the way down. There. Yeah. Yeah, I think that looked nice. Or it looked neat. Yeah. It looked neat. Yeah, it looks real neat. There's a bridge. There's a flag again. There's the sun. Yeah. Yeah, I'm gonna continue walking. But I think I'll end my video now. Yeah. See how beautiful it is. Nice blue sky all over. Little bit of clouds. Yeah. There. Okay, that's where I'm gonna end it. Me and the Canadian flag. Okay, bye. Have a good rest of the Sunday. Bye.